y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you again for being here. I do appreciate it. And as you can see from the description below, we are going to be unboxing, let me cover up my address, the January 2019 Heart and Soul. This is like a Bath and Body subscription. It is really awesome. They are on Cratejoy. I have reviewed their box one time before. I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up. It is $18.50 a month, and it's like a spa in a box. It's always usually pretty fun. Bath bombs and just different awesome goodness like that. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have gotten this month. Last month, December, it was so cute. There was like a gingerbread bath bomb and like a Christmas tree bath bomb. It was so cute. So let's see. All right, so got some papers here. I'm gonna pull those out. This is what it looks like when we open it. So cute. This is their Valentine's spa box. Awesome. All right. Oh, this is going to be fun. I'm so excited. Okay, so like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Like I said, it's $18.50 a month, and they have given me a code here to share with you guys. It is new subscription, and you will get 10% off. So that's awesome. So let's go ahead and go through the box. So cute. Okay, so the first thing that's catching my eye is this super cute sparkly bottle, and this is strawberry champagne bubble bath. How cute is that? That is adorable. I love this, and I like that, like, it's handmade. All their products are handmade, and they will list the ingredients of the products, which is awesome. So yeah, this is super cute. I love that, and I bet strawberry champagne smells really awesome. Let's see. And then we have a Cherry Kiss lip balm. That's probably gonna taste yummy when we give it kisses on Valentine's Day. Here we have, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay. These are donut hole bath fizzers. This is cute. So there's 3 of them. And it says that these are in chocolate and vanilla. Those are so cute. That is precious. Okay. Moving right along, what do we have here? This looks like a bath bomb. The box is all cute with like the pink and white squigglies. Everything's in bubble wrap, which is awesome. So it is a bath bomb in Amber Romance. Oh, that smells so good. I love anything amber or vanilla. Like, those are generally like some of my go-to scents. That's warm and like, but sensual. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, yay for a bath bomb. And then what do we have here? We have a sweet strawberry sugar scrub. It says apply 1 scoop to damp skin and massage to the area you desire. Your skin will feel wonderful and look nourishing. So that's fun. And again, that probably smells amazing. So we have something else here in bubble wrap. This feels like it's a jar. What are you, my friend? What are you? Secret Garden bath salt. Let's see. It says it's a peony fragrance. This is 4 ounces. How cute is this little jar that it's in? Let's see. Oh, that smells good. That smells good. And it's 4 ounces. It's got the Dead Sea salt, Epsom salt, organic olive oil. So it's got all kinds of really great stuff in it. That's awesome. And then it looks like we have one more item here. And I'm guessing this is the Dark Kiss Bath Bomb. Ooh. All right. Oh, y'all, this is so cute. It's lips. That is so cute. Yep, Bath Bomb Dark Kiss. Now this one I can't really smell, but it's super cute and I'm sure it will smell amazing. So yeah, so we got the Dark Kiss Bath Bomb, the Amber Romance Bath Bomb, the Bath Salt Scrub, the adorable Strawberry Champagne Bubble Bath. That is just so cute. And we got these precious donut hole bath fizzies. I think these are going to be great. The Sweet Strawberry Sugar Scrub. And the Cherry Kiss Lip Balm. Because you want to make sure on Valentine's Day when you're giving those kisses that they're sweet kisses. So that was the Valentine's Spa Box from Heart and Soul. Like I said, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up, as well as that code new subscription that would get you 10% off. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think this is so cute. And I hope you all have a fabulous day, and don't forget, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.